emotional. So, I was just going to try and say that I have been making a video this week. Okay, I hope this works. I'm going to have to read this. Okay, never mind about that. So, get out, me boy. Today, I'm going to be making the weirdest noises. I just thought it would be weird. I had no idea for a video this week. I was like, I can't post a video 2 weeks. That would mess up with my entire schedule. So, I guess that's what I'm doing today. Oh, God. Okay, just saying this, I'm gonna be posting a lot of videos today, so you know, kind of balances out. I had to make up for all the other weeks I didn't post videos. Christmas, I had a lot going on. During Christmas break, I had a lot going on. I got Christmas Eve going on. I had to buy my sister presents, my dad, everybody. I had to buy a bunch of people presents. So this is why I'm doing this. Now, I was currently on a weekend today. It's my last night on the weekend, so I thought I would spend it on making you guys entertained. So yeah, this is it. Oh, by the way, my next video, I'm actually been posting my first music video. I really know how to show you. Bye!